best cheap fitness trackers of August 2024. This time for August 2024, we rounded up top cheap fitness trackers that offer great features at not so high prices. Most inexpensive wearables do a lot today, from steps taken during a day to heart rate monitoring. Whether you're just starting on your path toward fitness or are an accomplished athlete looking for that extra edge in competition, our top picks of budget-friendly fitness trackers will help you choose from a wide range of products. Fitbit Inspire 3. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is a budget line of fitness trackers that assists with keeping health in check with several innovative features at the very front line of users' exercises. The $99.95 device. It features a touchscreen display, water resistance up to 50 meters, and all the basic tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and guided breathing sessions. It also offers notification alerts and music control and supports Android and iOS devices. Offering up to 10 days of battery life, it would suit everybody who's looking for a reliable and affordable device that will serve as a fitness tracker, look great, and adequately perform. Fitbit Charge 5. The Fitbit Charge 5 is a premium fitness tracker intended to cost $149.95, which comes with an AMOLED touchscreen display and supports water resistance to a depth of up to 50 meters. It provides good functionality for heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress tracking, and an ECG app. With the Fitbit Charge 5, enjoy built-in GPS to track outdoor activities without needing a phone, all for up to 7 days on a charge. Fitbit Charge 6. The Fitbit Charge 6 represents a top-of-the-line fitness tracker that's full of health and fitness features. This device comes sleek in design with an AMOLED touchscreen display and is water-resistant up to a depth of 50 meters at a price tag of $179.95. It comes with the most striking features, which include heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress tracking, advanced fitness metrics such as VO2 max estimates. This device is engineered and integrated with a built-in GPS and ECG app that allows guided breathing sessions, hence making this an all-rounded tracking device. This watch could sustain a user for up to 7 days on a single charge and is compatible with both Android and iOS, making it an even better fit for athletes seeking advanced health data. Garmin Vivo Smart 5. Another full-featured fitness tracker available is the Garmin Vivo Smart 5, which comes in at $149.99. Sleek with an AMOLED touchscreen display, water-resistant up to 50 meters, it also tracks heart rate, sleep, stress, and advanced fitness metrics like VO2 max estimates. Moreover, it packs in native global positioning system, notification alerts, and music control, making it all the more functional for athletes and fitness buffs who want to be able to get a complete tracking experience without the bulk that comes with wearing a smartwatch. It has up to 7 days of battery life, so its owners can count on it being available during daily activities and workouts.